A new home is being constructed at 6434 Schiller in the Spring Branch area of Houston, Texas. It will contain 4,119 square feet of air-conditioned area, 4 bedrooms, 4 full baths, and a powder room for guests, along with a 2-car garage. The primary design principles of the home are: number 1, it's a modern architectural design, a modern backdrop to a modern lifestyle in the modern city of Houston, Texas. The design's purpose is to delight the occupants and provide them with a very unique home. The next important design concern was the configuration of the roof. In Houston, Texas, I believe that rainwater, specifically stormwater, is the foremost concern of a building structure. In Houston, we can get rains of 10+ inches per day. When that happens, rainwater backs up in pools when it ordinarily might not. Pooling water can not only enter the structure, but it can saturate the ground around the structure, causing the earth to swell, which in turn can heave a foundation upwards. Therefore, the goal behind the design of this roof was to shed the rainwater directly and quickly and create no places where the water can pool, such as in roof valleys or up against adjacent vertical walls. The roof is comprised of 5 simplistically sloping planes which direct the water unimpeded from one plane down to the next until it reaches the ground. The roofs are covered by a sheet material called thermal polyolefin, which is generally referred to as TPO. The TPO material comes in 8-foot rolls and was directly adhered to the 1/2-inch plywood roof deck with a bonding agent made for that purpose. The plywood deck was fastened to the rafters below with ring shank nails. The 8-foot rolls greatly reduce the number of seams and infiltration points that occur on a conventional shingle roof. The simplicity of the material makes leak detection much easier should a storm ever tear the membrane. TPO roofs cost about 2.5 times what a typical composition shingle roof costs. Another benefit of this roof is its reflective white color. As long as it is kept clean, it reflects a good deal of the sun's radiation back into the atmosphere, rather than allowing the heat to enter the house. Finally, the roofs all have a minimum 2-foot overhang, which carry the water past the structure before discharging it to the ground below. A window cannot leak if water never reaches it in the first place. Thank you for viewing this video. Please also take a look at the foundation video and the interior video on this YouTube page.